In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add warehouse address on TikTok Shop. This is a simple but essential setup step that ensures your orders are shipped from the correct location and that couriers know exactly where to pick up packages. Getting this right helps prevent delivery delays and avoids unnecessary cancellations caused by an incomplete or incorrect address. Start by opening your TikTok Shop account. Make sure you're in the area of the app dedicated to selling, not just your regular content feed. From the main screen, look for the shop icon. Depending on your layout, this may appear at the bottom of the app or within the seller section. Tap that to enter your shop space. Next, head into My Account. This is where your seller profile and management options live. Inside My Account, look for Account Settings. This is the control center for your shop's operational details. Open it to access settings related to your business information. Within Account Settings, find Warehouse Settings. This is the section where you manage the physical address from which your products will be stored, packed, and dispatched. If you don't have a warehouse address added yet, you'll see an option to add one. Go ahead and select that. Now, carefully enter your address details. Be as accurate as possible. Include the complete street address, city, region, and postal code, and make sure spelling and formatting match how your local couriers recognize addresses. Use the real, physical location where your inventory is kept. Avoid using a PO box or a temporary spot that isn't consistently staffed. If there's a map pin or location selector, adjust it so it lands precisely on your warehouse entrance. Small details matter here. An incorrect apartment number, missing unit or building name, or an outdated postal code can cause failed pickups or misrouted parcels. Before you finish, take a moment to double-check everything you've typed. Consistency with any address you use on shipping labels or invoices helps couriers validate the location. If your warehouse has special access notes, loading dock info, or a specific entrance, add that in any available notes field so drivers can find you quickly. Once the address is added, you should see it listed under Warehouse Settings. That confirms your warehouse is now part of your shop setup and ready to be used for order fulfillment. And that's it. Your TikTok shop is now configured with a proper warehouse address, setting you up for smoother pickups and faster deliveries.